2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.